Introduction to Madagascar. Madagascar, the fourth largest island in the world, is renowned for its unique biodiversity, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. Immerse yourself in the captivating fusion of African, Asian, and European influences. Cultural diversity in Madagascar. 1. Melting pot of cultures. Madagascar boasts a rich tapestry of cultures, incorporating influences from Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe. This convergence has given rise to a harmonious blend of traditions and beliefs. 2. Linguistic variety. The island is home to multiple indigenous languages, each reflecting the distinct heritage of its people. The diversity in language represents the cultural richness of Madagascar. 3. Celebrations and festivals. Throughout the year, Malagasy people celebrate various festivals, such as Famadihana and the New Year's Festival, with vibrant music, dance, and traditional customs. Traditional music and dance. Music. The traditional music of Madagascar is deeply rooted in the island's history, featuring unique instruments and rhythmic melodies. Dance. Malagasy dance forms are a key part of cultural expression, often telling stories through graceful movements and vibrant costumes. Instruments. Traditional instruments like the valiha and kabosi play a significant role in shaping the island's music and dance traditions. Unique cuisine of Madagascar. Local ingredients. Madagascar's cuisine is a fusion of flavors, making use of indigenous ingredients such as coconut, vanilla, and zebu meat. Rice dishes. Rice, the staple of Malagasy cuisine, is often prepared with various spices and served with flavorful accompaniments. Exotic fruits. The island's tropical climate yields an abundance of fruits, like lychee, mango, and papaya, which are featured in many dishes and desserts. Famous landmarks and natural wonders. 1. Avenue of the Baobabs. This iconic group of baobab trees is a natural wonder and a symbol of Madagascar's natural beauty. 2. Tsingy de Bemaraha. The unique limestone formations known as Tsingy create a spectacular and otherworldly landscape. 3. Rainforests National Park. Home to diverse wildlife and lush rainforests, this park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering unparalleled natural flora and fauna of Madagascar. 1. Lemurs and chameleons. Madagascar is famed for its unique wildlife, including approximately 100 species of lemurs and a striking variety of chameleons. 2. Baobab trees. These iconic trees are emblematic of Madagascar's diverse flora, symbolizing resilience and cultural significance. 3. Fragrant orchids. The island is home to a multitude of orchid species, adding vibrant splashes of color to its landscapes. Traditional arts and crafts. Artistic talents. Madagascar nurtures a wealth of artistic expressions, from intricate textiles and wood carvings to beautiful pottery and basketry. Raffia weaving. Artisans skillfully weave raffia fibers into stunning products, including hats, bags, and decorative items, capturing the essence of Malagasy craftsmanship. Decorative zebu horns. Zebu horns are transformed into decorative art pieces, elaborately carved and adorned with traditional motifs, adding unique character to Malagasy artistry. Conclusion and key takeaways. Cultural richness. Madagascar's diverse cultural tapestry, music, and traditions illuminate the island's rich heritage. Natural splendor. Unique ecosystems, remarkable biodiversity, and breathtaking landscapes define the natural allure of Madagascar. Craftsmanship legacy. The legacy of Malagasy artisans and their extraordinary talents continues to enchant visitors from around the globe.